Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from RIA. You can pick up cash at a RIA location near you. Have the money deposited directly into your bank account, or even send it to a mobile wallet if supported. RIA offers multiple convenient options depending on what works best for you. For cash pickup, make sure you bring a valid government-issued ID and your RIA PIN to access your funds safely and securely. Remember, some locations may have specific hours or limits, so it's a good idea to check ahead. And that's it. That's how to withdraw money from RIA. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.